up to film this video today, the one thing that instantly hit my mind was the fact that I don't want to shoot another video in the same background. I was in a mood of fall, and that's probably because of the quantity of hair fall that I'm facing. So my mood for the day was beige and brown, quite apparently, because I tried to dress up using those colors as well, and I also tried to make a new background for you using the same theme. I hope you like the background, and let's dive into the video. Did I introduce myself? No, right? I am Ojaswini Bharti. If you're coming on my channel for the first time, hi, I hope you're having a great day, and I am here gonna try to make it a little better. I bought the first sweater from Myntra. It's from Urbanic. I paid 774 rupees for it, and it's a cropped, multicolored, fuzzy sweater. The material is so soft, it's so fuzzy that I don't want to let go of it. The color combination on this one is quite interesting. It's got shades of peach, white, black and grey in it. The fabric, as you can see, is very quirky, very attractive. The sleeves are exaggerated at the ends, a little stretchy, sort of belt sleeves jaisa vibe hai. It is a cropped sweater, but it's also not the most cropped sweater. The next product is going to be the last product from Myntra, and after that you'll be able to see everything from Ajio that I got. It's a lavender colored sweater. It's more like a sweatshirt sort of a vibe because it has a high neck and a zipper at the collar. It's from Max. Its MRP was 999 and I got it for 999 rupees. This is the product that I got. As you can see, it's almost like I'm holding a soft toy. It's very soft. It's got a beautiful lavender color. We are all in for lavender. And I ordered size medium. After you wear it, it feels just like air because it's so soft. I ordered size M in it, even though I usually fit in size small, but still it turned out to be a little too fitted than what I was expecting. I wanted a looser fit, but M definitely was not up to my expectations. Even the sleeves were a little short on me. So if you also like your warm and fuzzy sweaters to be oversized, then you might want to go maybe 2 sizes up or at least 1 size up than your usual size. Overall, I like it. It is neither too short in terms of the crop that it has, and it looks super cute with the collar and everything. Just the color makes it stand out. It's very comfortable. In terms of warmth, I would give it a 7.5. The next product in the haul is from Ajio, and it is the same product that I'm wearing right now. It's this super cute, very warm, very heavy quality sweater from a brand called Trendyol. I saw a lot of sweaters and knits from Trendyol, and they were all looking so fashionable and so good in terms of quality. I ordered this and it's size small. Its quality is just top notch. It is very good quality. जैसे रेफरेंस इमेज दिखता था हमें बहुत ज़्यादा शीन पर, हेवी स्वेटर्स का अर्बैनिक पर अभी भी है, तो it is actually like a reference image come true. I would say it's very good in terms of quality. It's a button down sweater, so you can wear it with the buttons on or off. I have always seen so many chic outfits on Pinterest using similar sweaters like this one. This was a brown color, but since I am dusky, it turned out looking like a nude shade on me, which was just a cherry on the cake. I tried to create a monochrome outfit using pants of a similar color. You can do the same. There is just so much in the universe that you can do with this sweater. Also, the quality is good, so it's gonna last a good time in your wardrobe. I absolutely love how effortlessly stylish it makes me look. I love this one. जैसे कि मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा था that I saw a lot of very interesting sweaters from Trendyol on Ajio. I got another sweater from Trendyol. पिछला जो स्वेटर था ना उसका फिट मॉडल पे मुझे काफ़ी लूज लग रहा था, तो मैंने वो साइज स्मॉल में ही लिया था और मुझे स्मॉल में ही वो जैसे मुझे फिट चाहिए था वैसा आया. अगला स्वेटर इज अ लैवेंडर कलर्ड स्वेटर. आई पेड 1101 रुपीज़ फॉर इट, लेकिन मैंने उसमें साइज एल लिया क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था शायद एल ज़्यादा लूजली फिट होगा मुझे.
Do you remember those hand knitted sweaters that our grandmas used to make for us in childhood? As a child, I definitely disapproved of them, but now that I've grown up, I have realized that they were pure gold. I absolutely love heavy knitted woolen sweaters now. Nothing even comes close to the childhood hand knitted feeling, but this somewhat looks like one of those with the heavy wool and the knit and the oversize that is there. So this is something that definitely fills all my check boxes of an ideal sweater.
इसमें भी कुछ और कलर्स अवेलेबल थे. इफ यू वांट टू गेट योर हैंड्स ऑन एनी अदर कलर्स यू कैन डू दैट एज वेल. आई वुड say that you won't be disappointed because this is not just warmth में again this would be like a 7.9 out of 10, but these are also so cute and so stylish. These are like your go to Pinterest outfit creators I would say. So I quite like it, and yes, in most things in life there's always an exception, and I would say in fact it's fun when there is one exception. So is the case with this haul. The next product is an exception. It's a bomber jacket amidst so many knits and sweaters from Rio. I paid I think 1439 rupees for it. Clear prices आपको screen पर दिख जाएंगे because all this forehead, but I can't remember the exact prices.
If you're looking for a jacket that looks stylish but also has the capacity to protect you from the winters, then this could be a perfect match because sage green color is totally in, and we all know that bomber jackets are super cute. It is good in terms of quality as well, not the best quality wise, but it is good for the fact that it is so stylish as well.
Before showing you the last product, let me quickly tell you that more than 80% of the people who are watching my videos are not subscribed to my channel. They are doing this zyadti with me. I hope you don't do the same zyadti with me. Please take a moment and hit the subscribe button. If you liked watching this haul, maybe press the like button. I'm just starting off. I am at a growing stage, so even a little bit of a support would really help me. The last product in the haul is again from Ajio, from Outright. ऐसा बहुत कम होता है कि मैं एक Ajio haul करूँ उसमें Outright का कुछ ना हो. It's one of my again favorite brands to shop from on Ajio. बहुत stylish मुझे इनके कपड़े लगते हैं. So I got this blush pink colored collared sweater or sweatshirt. I paid 1049 rupees for it. Size M मैंने ये लिया. I am quite happy about the fact that I went for size M क्योंकि जैसा मुझे fit पसंद है वैसे ही आता है इसमें. आया है मुझे M में. और ये प्रोडक्ट है, इट इज़ जस्ट सो सॉफ्ट. आई अगेन फील लाइक आई एम होल्डिंग अ सॉफ्ट टॉय. इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सॉफ्ट स्वेटर्स इन द हॉल टुडे. In terms of warmth, I would rate this again an 8 out of 10. इसको देखकर शायद आपको लगेगा कि ये ज़्यादा गर्म नहीं होगा, but that is not the case. It is quite warm. अच्छा, एक चीज़ और कि when I'm rating these products in terms of warmth 1 से 10 के बीच में, I am not rating these universally. मतलब I'm rating these contextually. I am giving them a 1 or a 2 or a 7 or a 8 based upon the fact that these are फजी स्वेटर्स. तो एक फजी स्वेटर से जितनी मुझे एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी उसके हिसाब से मैंने इनको रेटिंग दी है. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये अगर मैंने किसी चीज़ को 9 या 10 रेट कर दिया तो वो दुनिया की सबसे गर्म चीज़ है, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, so we have reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for staying until now. I really appreciate it. अगर आपके कोई भी suggestions हैं, questions हैं, queries हैं, advice है या फिर demands हैं तो please मुझे मेरे Instagram पर DM करके देखें. हमें बहुत मज़े आते हैं. We have a lot of fun over there. You can connect to me on my Instagram. नीचे comment section में मुझे बताएं कि which product did you like the most. सबसे ज़्यादा interesting आपको इसमें से कौन सा product लगा. And yes, that's it for the day. I am really looking forward to the new year, and I am sure you are as well. Have an amazing winter season. See you the next time. Let's keep in touch, and for that, to get all my new updates and my recent videos that I'm going to be posting after this one, you have to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of similar content planned for the future as well. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy and happy at home and keep your families very healthy and very happy.